Choosing between the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and a professional camera like the Sony A7C Mark II isn't as simple as picking the one with the better specs. Each one is built for a different type of user, and each one shines in its own way. Today, we're breaking down how these two devices compare in real-world photography, how they handle images and video, and what kind of experience you can expect from each. Let's start with the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. This smartphone has been making a lot of noise because of its camera system. It comes with a large 1-inch sensor, which is a big deal for a phone. That sensor size gives it better light control, more depth, and better clarity. The phone also includes a variable aperture that goes from f1.6 to f4. This means you can adjust how much light enters the lens, similar to how traditional cameras work. On top of that, Huawei gives you two telephoto lenses, one with 3.7x optical zoom and another with 9.4x. With this setup, you can capture close-up macro shots, beautiful portraits, and even distant subjects without losing too much detail. On the other side, we have the Sony A7C Mark II. This is a full-frame camera, which places it in a completely different league. The full-frame sensor is much larger than any smartphone sensor, and that allows it to capture more light and produce better dynamic range. This camera is designed for professionals who want full control, extremely sharp images, and flexibility in any lighting situation. It may not be as small or convenient as a smartphone, but it offers a level of precision that phones still struggle to match. Now let's talk about the overall image and video quality. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is perfect if you want bright, colorful, and ready to share images. Huawei's processing gives photos a vibrant look with cooler tones and a bit of magenta in the highlights. It's the kind of style that looks great on social media without requiring any editing. For video, the phone delivers sharp footage with rich colors, which is ideal for quick content creation. The Sony A7C Mark II takes a completely different approach. Instead of giving you an instantly polished look, it aims to give you a more neutral, cinematic result. Its warmer tones, wider dynamic range, and natural contrast are designed for people who like to edit their photos and videos afterward. The camera gives you more detail in shadows and highlights, and you get more control over the final look. If you enjoy tweaking your photos in Lightroom or grading videos in editing software, the Sony gives you a better foundation to work with. When it comes to background blur or bokeh, both devices perform well, but in different ways. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra uses its large sensor and variable aperture to create creamy background blur, especially in portrait mode. It can mimic the shallow depth of field look that many people associate with professional cameras. For casual photographers, this is more than enough to make portraits stand out. However, the Sony A7C Mark II naturally produces deeper and more realistic bokeh, thanks to its full-frame sensor. If you shoot portraits, products, or close-ups professionally, you'll definitely notice the difference. The blur is smoother, more accurate, and more pleasing to the eye. Usability is another area where these two devices stand far apart. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra wins easily when it comes to portability. It fits in your pocket, it's always with you, and you can capture any moment instantly. It's perfect for travel, daily life, and anyone who wants great images without carrying extra gear. The Sony A7C Mark II is designed for photographers who are willing to carry a camera bag, change lenses, and spend time setting up shots. It requires more effort, but it also gives you far more possibilities. If you need versatility, precise control, and professional results, the Sony is the better choice. In the end, it all comes down to what matters most to you. If you want convenience, portability, and beautiful images with minimal effort, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is a fantastic option. But if your focus is pure quality, flexibility, and professional level control, the Sony A7C Mark II is the clear winner. Both devices are powerful in their own ways. You just need to choose the one that fits your style of photography.